I have discovered a secret. The key to success isn't about pushing yourself to the extremes like waking up at 4 a.m. to outwork the competition or taking daily ice baths to wake up your senses. Instead, it's all about building micro habits, small, consistent actions that add up over time. These tiny habits can significantly impact not just your finances but also your physical, mental, and emotional well being. I'm going to share with you 12 micro habits that can completely transform both your finances and other areas of your life, and also share tips on how can you apply them to your life as well. Let's dive in. Number 1, create more than you consume. According to the author of Rich Habits, the daily success habit of wealthy individuals, the wealthiest people in the world create more than they consume. His research found that 67% of wealthy individuals watch TV for an hour or less per day, whereas 77% of those struggling financially watch TV for over an hour daily. Instead of spending excessive time in front of the screen, consider ways to create something valuable. Creation helps you build knowledge, skills, and experience far more effectively than passive consumption. To develop a habit of creating, start small, just 15 minutes a day doing something you enjoy. This could be launching that YouTube channel you have been considering, writing short stories, or even learning basic coding through interactive apps. To stay on track, regularly assess your creation versus consumption ratio. It should always show that you are creating more than you are consuming. Number 2. Create an I can do this file. You can make it a habit to record almost everything. Whenever you achieve something significant or reach an important milestone, write it down. Even when you are overwhelmed by fear or doubt about starting something new, document those feelings too. Think back to the time when you faced a nerve-wracking experience, maybe your first live session or a big challenge, but push through it anyway. Capture the entire journey, from your initial fear and doubt to how you felt afterward, along with any positive feedback you receive. Store these reflections in a dedicated space, like a I can do this tab in your Notion workspace. This can serve as a personal motivation tool, reminding you of your progress and what you are capable of. Life has its ups and downs, but on tough days, revisiting your past wins can boost your confidence and inspire you to keep trying for new achievements. Number 3. Automate these two things. Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Take this principle a step further by including investment in the equation. Do not save and invest what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving and investing. To apply this in your life, set up an automated system where a fixed portion of your income is transferred directly into your savings and investment accounts each month before you spend a single penny. This approach benefits you in two key ways. First, it ensures consistent financial growth without a hassle of manually transferring money, especially when life gets busy. Second, automating these transfers reduces the temptation for impulse purchases like those so-called limited time offers that often turn out to be not such a great deal in hindsight. Number 4. Get specific. Every year, without fail, you should write one big financial goal, and the key is to be as specific as possible. Why? Because the more precise your goals are, the higher the chances of achieving them. Instead of getting a journal intention like, I will save more money, make it specific, like, I will save $30,000 for a down payment on my forever home by the end of 2027. Being specific not only keeps you motivated, but also helps break your goals into a smaller, more manageable milestone. For example, if your target is to save $30,000 by the end of 2027, you could aim to set aside $1,250 each month to reach your goals within 2 years. Number 5. Understanding the yes trap. Learning to say no can be challenging, and according to research published by Psychology Today, you are not alone. Many people experience what psychologists call the yes trap, a deep-rooted feeling to agree to requests, invitations, and opportunities even when already overwhelmed. Falling into the yes trap can lead to burnout, resentment, and neglecting self-care. But beyond that, always saying yes can mean missing out on better opportunities, ones that truly align with your goals. One of the most effective ways to break free from this trap is to gain absolute clarity on your goals. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it becomes much easier to say no to anything that doesn't support those goals. Here is a simple approach. Number 1, define your goals with clear clarity. Number 2, before accepting any request, ask yourself, will this move me closer to my goals or is it just a distraction? By doing this, you can confidently say no to what doesn't serve you and focus on what truly matters. Number 6, audit these 3 buckets. Auditing your spending should be a cornerstone habit, whether it's done quarterly for your business, monthly, or even weekly for personal finances. A great way to do this by categorizing every expense into 3 key buckets. Fundamentals, which is your essential needs, rent, utilities, groceries. Fun, which is your lifestyle choices, entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and future, which is your investment in growth and long-term financial security. This approach isn't just about tracking expenses, it's about intentional living. Using an intentional spending tracker gives you real-time insight into your financial progress, showing whether you are on the track, under budget, or overspending. Some compare budgeting to being on a strict diet, but in reality, it's opposite. It's empowering. No matter how much you earn, having clarity over your financing and managing it allow you to make confident decisions about your money. And if you want to know how to manage your money, then click the I button on the top right corner. Number 7, learn something new about money weekly. You have probably heard the saying, knowledge is power, but Warren Buffett take it a step further. The more you learn, the more you earn. That's why it's worth setting aside just 1 hour each week during lunch or after dinner to learn something new about money. It's a small commitment, but it makes a big difference. The truth is, there's always something new to learn, and every bit of financial knowledge adds up, whether it's discovering a new investment app or simply understanding how money works. These small lessons keep unlocking new opportunities. Number 8, diversify your financial life through multiple income streams. Why? Because A, most millionaires have multiple income streams. It's a cornerstone of building wealth. And B, if one income source takes a hit, other can help cover the gap, keeping your cash flow steady. Today, online income can come from various sources like brand sponsorship, affiliate marketing, YouTube AdSense, investments, or selling your own products. If you are wondering how to create a second income stream, start by evaluating your skills, experience, and interests, then explore ways to monetize them. Start with just one. Once it's self-sustaining, then you can explore new opportunities. Number 9, take action before you feel ready. There will never be a perfect time to start something new. You will never feel completely ready, and tomorrow never comes. So instead of waiting, take actions as soon as good ideas come to your mind. When you take that leap of faith, you might hit some successes, but you will also make some mistakes, and that's completely normal. Every misstep is a learning opportunity that helps you to grow. Number 10, simplify decision making. Steve Jobs became famous for his iconic black turtleneck, blue jeans, and New Balance sneakers, while Mark Zuckerberg is often seen in gray t-shirts and jeans. Both embrace a simple wardrobe to reduce decision fatigue, allowing them to focus their mental energy on more important matters. For instance, wearing a set selection of clothes during work hours or while filming content eliminates unnecessary decisions, making it easier to get started. Consider what areas of your life you can streamline to free up more time and mental energy for what truly matters. Number 11, ask the questions. Research shows that over 45% of Americans avoid discussing money with their families, friends, or partners. However, the same study found that 66% believe that talking about finances is essential for achieving financial freedom. While money conversation can feel uncomfortable, but they are crucial for reaching your financial goals. These discussions don't have to be about comparison. Instead, they can focus on understanding financial values and learning different strategies. Starting a financial conversation can be casual. You might say something like, I have been thinking about budgeting lately. Do you manage yours? Next time, you are with a friend, try introducing a money-related topic and be open to sharing your own experiences as well. Number 12, the 1% progress rule. This principle focuses on making small, consistent improvement to your financial situation each month. Whether it's increasing your saving rate, cutting unnecessary expenses, or finding new ways to boost your income, even a 1% improvement every month can lead to significant results over time. By making these gradual adjustments, you set yourself up for long-term financial success without feeling overwhelmed. The key is consistency. Small changes, when sustained, can lead to a big progress. Give it a try and see how even the smallest steps can make a meaningful impact. That's it. There you have 12 micro habits that will change your life forever. And if you want to know why many wealthy people choose to look poor on purpose, then watch this video right here.